And this looks like it's got a, oh God, it's got a big hail spike on it.
Are we going into it?
We're almost like right in the middle of it.
You want to haul ass the other way?
Yeah, we better.
All right.
Well, wait a minute now. Which way are we going? We're going north. Yeah, we need to go south.
You would do this to me. Oh, shit.
Yep.
There it is.
There it is.
Driveway?
Yep.
Why do you do this to me, Christopher?
Did you see that right there?
Holy shit.
That's a TBSS. It's called three-body scatter spike, and it means there's large hail in this thing.
Whoa, yeah, look at that. Jeez Louise.
All right, go slow, go slow. We want to add our forward speed, but
You gotta be video.
go that way.
I don't even know where my phone is. I think it's the floor. There it is. You don't have dents, you ain't never going to. Jeez. I may have taken your ceiling out.